Yeah, top of the evening, big up on yourself. Top chef in the building, make sure you follow the pages, you know? We are vibed out in the evening, yeah. I don't know when I cook it, I'm going to cut up them chicken right now. Then we are going to bud up something real nice. Hey, right now. They got so much things to say. They got so much things to say right now. They got so much things to say. Hey, but I'll never forget no. Come on, big up to the follower, you know? Welcome to the kitchen. Top chef in the kitchen. Look at that. Make sure you follow the Top Chef for all your Jamaican recipes. Rainfall. Things to say right now. I gotta wash it with some lime and vinegar. Clean up them things, you know. Wash out the clean as you go. And the Top Chef, you know, make sure you don't follow the bad chef, you know. later, one a green line, you see me? Yo, Prowler, Owler, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, at the top chef, man, you don't know, in the kitchen, you know. Look at that. From the studio to the kitchen. So you get your green line, you know. So you wash it with green line. Lime juice, you probably make some limeade later. Or lemonade. We call it same way. Same thing. Make sure you not follow the bad chef, you know. You bad up some chicken. You still don't even know what I'm going to do right now. Make sure you wash it good. Rinse it. Yes, I am. Javon, big up yourself, you know. You don't know, you know, I done the place, you know. You don't know, I say, you're the top chef, you know. Look at that, you know. You're going to bad up some bad food right now. Look at that. Take out my bad seasoning, them, you know. Nothing ever left in this one, yeah. Finish it out for me. You see me? Some of that. Some of this, some paprika, and put some seasoning on it, you know. That one, let me just get down there, just take off the top. Yeah, man, no, share the live, follow the page. Tell them again. Some paprika on it just for the color. Farmers.
Too much informers, too much still they rise. Time to separate the sheep.
People gonna fry some chicken, you know. Fry some chicken today.
We're at the crossroads, and this is the time of decision. Too much informers, too much still they rise. Too much informers.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we live in a studio, man. If you know done the place, you know say done the place is at the artist, you know. But more time we're in the kitchen, you know. But at the studio, me really come from, you know. Yeah, man, big up, you know, Lisa. Bless you too, you know. Yeah, man, and follow the page. Make sure you follow the top chef.
Too much watch and keep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep.
Season it good, you know.
Too much watch and keep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep
And the shepherd.
Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. So they could
Lady Dre, big up yourself, you know. Make sure you're following the Top Chef. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Oh yeah. My head is anointed. All the days of my life. My body's fried chicken, I gotta say right now. Big up roots children. Oh yeah. Come on at the Top Chef, man. Make sure you follow the Top Chef, you know. Oh, go on. Blow. Oh, you remember the pudding? The pudding there, man. You got it, no? See if I can show you real quick. Come here and cut off piece. Can't make it fun to do it. Still in the oven. Oh, look. Cut off piece already still, you know? Yeah, man, I potato pudding, man, it done, you know, then I make it early and thing, so it moist and thing. Yeah, man, it's very lovely and thing, you know? Yeah, man, big up, man, we just make this, you know, it's in the oven. Right now, it's well hot and nice. This is the right time to eat it right now, you see me? Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, man, we're there. But back to the dinner, you know? Dinner time. This is a dessert. Alright, back to this part now, you see me? Yeah, man. You know the thing, yeah, man. Alright, see now this now we are going to throw a little oil in it, because we're not using no egg. You see me? Let's sprinkle some oil over it. You see me? And not a treat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, are the boss I sing right now, man, you know. Living legend. You don't want to live in again, but the legend, you know. He was a legend. Still have to play music, you see me? Big up roots children. The legend, you know. You know, the kitchen with the Top Chef, you know. Make sure you follow the page, you know. You see me? Show you how to cook the food the real way. Just like how our ancestors used to do it, you know? Show me goodness and mercy shall follow us. Yeah, man, thanks to the rose, you know. You know the thing going on. Big up for the follow, you know. Bernice, thanks for the follow. Yo, Jennifer, thanks for the rose. Yeah, man, we use some seasoning from the islands, you know. Some Jamaican seasoning, but it's not about the type of seasoning you use. It's about get some all-purpose season from Grace. Isn't it? Get some jerk season from Grace. Just use your favorite seasoning, you know. Good evening, Winnie. How you doing, Winnie? Tasha, big up yourself, you know, but you know, get your seasoning from Grace, man, you know. Season from the islands, you know. I'll well hot now already. So you take a look at the first one. What you want to put in there first? Alright, leg. Young bastard lion. Must say Christopher Columbus a liar, you know. Look good. Big up in on Nelly. What your name? Nalisha. Big up in on Nalisha. The great. Big up in on the great. No knocking up because we're not there in the cabin, you know. You know? Yeah man, put a wing in it now. One more piece. Damn bastard lion. Yeah man, let them go and fry, you know. Look at that, you know, at the Top Chef, you know. Yo, Tony, big up for the follow, you know. Yo, Rody, big up for the follow, you know. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, you know, we in the kitchen, you know. Yo, Nelisha, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, it looks great. Yeah, man, you don't know, see how we, the ancestors teach we, you know. Yeah, man, respect Rody, man, you don't know what the thing go, you know. Yeah, man, welcome to the kitchen, you know. Which song? This one that's playing? But a funny thing, the herbs legal now. You see me back in the day, it never legal, you know. Small song them sing about it. Burn down the alright. What go on now? You see me? Yeah man, big up yourself, you know, me Jenna. You know the thing going on. Trina, big up, thanks for the follow, you know. Yo, Yosef, big up, thanks for the follow, you know. Who this? Big up yourself, all who follow the page, you know the thing going, you know. At the Top Chef and we in the kitchen. Everything finger licking. Yeah man, Yosef, you know the thing going, you know. Where you guys from? Cause you don't know I'm a Jamaican in the Bronx right now, you know. Yeah man, big up Nelisha man, me are the Top Chef man, you know. Yeah man, you don't know the thing going, you know. We don't go to restaurant, you know. Yeah man, we cook, you know what I mean. Big up, you know, Cali. Big up Trina from Cali. Albany in the building. Big up. I want them burn up, you know. I will continue to turn it until it's done, you know. Yeah man. Manhattan in the building, Guyana, Jamaican in Florida, big up yourself, Idaho in the building. Yo. Of course, Tasha, you can't come for dinner, man, you know the thing, man. Jamaican in Connecticut, big up on yourself, you know the thing, go. You see me, I say, yeah man, who else there? Yeah, man, you see me, once you go Jamaican, man, you can't lose, you know? Yeah, man. Of course, Alfred, of course, man, I'm willing to share. You see me? Yeah, man, start up the pot, man. Washington, big up on yourself in the Washington State in the building. Everybody can come over for dinner right now. Knock on the door, you see me? When me hear, me let me in. Heart of gold, big up yourself, you know, my friend. You know the thing going on. Yeah, man, coffee love, thanks for the follow. At the Top Chef, we in the kitchen today, you know. You want fried chicken? Go to the supermarket and get some chicken. Do it fast and come in now, make we fry it together. Yeah, man, Idaho, originally from Chicago. Big up in a Dan. You say you're born at Chicago. Yeah, man, St. Thomas, Jamaica. Yo, big up down a yard, you know. How down a yard I go on there. I mean, place that, you know. Love make no sense. Your love makes sense, okay? Thanks for the follow. Yeah, man. Goated soup are your favorite. Yeah, man, are the baddest thing that, man. You see me Philly in the building. Yeah, I normally use eggs too, but I learned that the eggs, I don't want my thing have too much flour on it either. I just want it to be crisp and nice. And you see when you cover the pot now, that help cook it much better, plus help get it crispy. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I bake, man. Look, I'm going to show you something right now. I got something for all you guys right now. I was baking a pudding earlier today on live, and the pudding is ready. I'm going to show you right now. Woo! It's hot. How me look now? Sweet potato pudding. You see me? Just like how your grandparents used to make it. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the chicken right now, we just cook it and make it get crispy. You see me? This is a sweet potato pudding. Just like how grandma used to make it. Right now it's hot and nice, ready for be eating, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, the Top Chef no play, man. We bake, we grill, we do everything, you see me? We all sing song. You see me? Yeah, man. Dan, thanks for the follow, you know. But me I put it back in the oven, you see me? Big up on yourself, man. They say fat heart of gold, you know me, you know. Tamika, you know me, you know. Yeah, man. I can get some food, man. At the Top Chef, man. Hot. Put it back in the oven because I don't want to get too cold, you know. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, man. You see it? Make it dry up, you see it? Chicken can dry up, you see it? Go on, fry up, man. So you cover the pot that make it crispy, you know? Yeah, man, you know the thing going on. Michelle, hella top and hella bottom, you know? Yeah, man, big man thing, you know, Tamika, you know you can link up, you know? No, that's not cornbread, that's Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Oh, that. Kiana, thanks for the follow. You share Andrea, thanks for the follow at the Top Chef. We in the kitchen. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The bad chef there, man. You see me? We don't play in the kitchen, okay? Yeah, man, make sure you know follow the page, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up and respect for all of the love, you know what I mean? Cooking some fried chicken, brother. At the Top Chef style, you know. You see me I say? We cook it because we want everything to cook. We don't want enough for all the bone we want to be eaten. Okay? Yo, Herbie, respect, you know. Respect to you too, you see me? Yo, Rudy, thanks for the share, you know. The share the live. Andrea, thanks for the teddy bear, you know. You don't know the thing, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Big up everybody in the building. No matter where you're from. We all are one. Don't forget that.
Cause I want a
Oh, that one I turn already. What me looking? Yeah man, you get your seasoning from Grace, you know? Get that one here. That one here bad. Isn't it? Take a screenshot. Isn't it? And that one here. Good, you see me? I say all purpose and you just add some of this here. This here bad with anything. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, are the top chef man, and we in the kitchen, we not playing in the kitchen man. You see me? I say we better than Gordon Ramsay and that guy. Big up for the rose, you know. Art of love. Yeah man, thanks, you know. How much for your pudding? Boy, girl. Where you come from? Tell me where you're from and I tell you how much for your pudding. No, I don't see much chicken, you know. I just the top chef done the place chicken, you know. Look at that. Brooklyn. Alright, I can get a pudding to you, you know. Link up in the inbox, you see me? Minnesota, big up yourself, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. We're there in the kitchen tonight, man. You see me? I say make sure you not share the live, you know the thing going on. You see me? Because we don't play with food, you know. We cook food and, you see me? I put on some rice. Because I go barbecue, I put some sauce, man, some of the chicken then, you see me? Yeah, man. Buffalo in the building. Yo, big up, you know. Paulette. Yo, big up in a Buffalo, you know. Yeah, man, it have to fry perfect and crispy, man. Thanks for the share. Yeah, man, Jamaican food, you don't know how we do it the best. Look at that at the top chef. Make sure you follow the page. Andrea, where you say, yes, yes. Like Munga Honorable. You see me, I say, Lady O, thanks for the follow. Paulette, thanks for the follow. Yo, white boy, thanks for the follow. I saw your name, you know. Dimples, thanks for the follow. Yosef, thanks for the share. Dimples, big up for the share, you know. Cause you don't know I'm willing to share. Who wants some? Who wants some of the top chef food? Who wants some of the top chef food right now? Just keep turning them, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, everybody wants some? Like me have to go start sell food now, you know. Anybody wants some? You have to be in the Bronx area right now. Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens. Maybe New Jersey, the close part. Maybe Connecticut, the close part. Yeah man, me I start sell food for real, you know, my friend. You in New York City? Alright. Yeah man, where I start say, well, when you say me if I start selling food, if I sell food, you know, me drop it off, you know, if I'm there in them areas there, you know. New York City, Brooklyn, Bronx. You see me? Link up in the inbox, my brethren. Link up in the inbox, you know what I mean? And you know the price. Depends on what you want, you know what I mean? No matter, man, you can sample first, man. You are the closest, you know, Heart of Gold. You're the closest right now, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So, now link up in the inbox if you want some food. And I sell some food, you see me? Look on the page and you tell me what you want. Oxtail. Yeah, man, no bad pan oxtail, man. You see me? You can visit my page and tell me what you want and I make it just like that. You know what I mean? And I bring a tray to you, you know? Drop off a plate, link me in my inbox and send me an address. And I carry a plate come here. Big man thing, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, Jamaican oxtail are the best, man. Key. Oh, your name Kaki? I don't know what your name, you know. Big up for the follow, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself. Yeah man, Jamaican oxtails are the best. You know the thing, man. Big up yourself, man. At the Top Chef, we in the kitchen. But you don't know, no. Probably I wonder why I fry the chicken so long, because the chicken have to be cooked properly, you know what I mean? Well done. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up everybody in the chat right now, you know. Yeah, man, you self big up yourself, you know. How this? Oxy, chicken back, chicken leg, chicken wing, chicken breast, chicken everything. You see me, I know just chicken back. Enough chicken back me grew up on, you know, yo. That me I tell you, you know. You cook that regular too, you know. A regular me curry some chicken back, you know. With some ackee, you know. How you do? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, chicken everything. Andrea, make him know. You see me? Bosolami, big up for the share, you know, yo. At the Top Chef, you know, and you don't know we in the kitchen right now, you know. You don't know the thing, but we are fry some chicken right now, you know. Yeah, man. You know, if you put on some rice, just a cook a small pot of rice, bro. Not too much. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, everything we eat, you know the thing in Jamaica. And then you're done, you know, let them soak for your next couple minutes. And I eat that for that, you see me? Yeah, man. Make sure you know, share the live, you know. Let them know that the Top Chef in the kitchen, you know, because we just start cooking now. We have enough chicken left to fry, you know. You see me? And then we have got Barbie fry some. And then leave some regular. You see me? Yeah, man. Oh, you big man thing? Yeah, man, that go good with the chicken, you know, man. Yeah, man. Carry it come close when you see it, you know? See that? Very crispy. See that? So your part then go straight through it. Look, see that? What am I looking right now? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, now we didn't use no egg, we just used some oil. We just put some oil in the pan of meat. And that's all you want, and then you eat. You see me? Chicken nice, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Isn't it? Turn up back your stove. Don't be scared to use your hands. Shake it off. Yeah man, we don't use no egg, we just put some oil in the pan of meat. You see me? And then you don't know how we are gonna lock off the street. Then yeah man, everything I put everything in it now. A little bit left in it right now. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, Dennis Brown in the building. And some bad chicken, you know. Just regular fried chicken. Top Chef done the place chicken, you see me? In the kitchen. Look at that. Are you ready? Chicken back, you know. It's a piece of chicken back, this. So now waste not even an inch. You are chosen. Oh yeah. Yeah man. Big up, you know. Two fly, big up yourself, you know. You know the thing going on. Oh, fix everything on there, man. So let me put in at the demo. Yeah man, let that one fry down now. This a garbage. Clean up your work area. You hear that? Ever. Turn up the stove. Yeah man, welcome to the kitchen, you know. Broke one phone, no? And the hot one. See that? Very nice, you know? Man, the Top Chef no play, man. Very nice. You know, broke it again. I taste it. Yeah man, the Top Chef in the building, you know. Glassy eye. Wash your rice, you know. Some rice may I put together right now. Dreadlocks. Come on.
Foundation, how you get part two? I see the next one I'm playing now. It's like a foundational reggae, trust me. When sisters are playing this natural rhythm, I must be this true.
Yeah man, thanks to the following up, Prentice. Big up for the follow, you know. Otis, Sharon, thanks to the follow. Yeah man, the Top Chef in the kitchen, man. We're not playing in the kitchen, you know. We're not playing with food, you know. Yeah. So chicken hot and broke piece show you, look. See that? Dry tear right apart. Fall right apart, you know. Woo! Hot. Come here, finish it, you can do. rice, I will put some thyme and thing there and I flavor it up, you know.
Why not just get together and live in one love and one unity, you know? Stand up, fussing and fighting. Listen to the song and the slip.
Wash it.
Stand up, fussing and fighting. Why not just get together and live in one love and one unity,
Hey.
you know? Stand up, fussing and fighting. Why not just get together and live in one love and one unity, you know? Rebel in the morning, rebel in the evening too.
Put that in your rice pot.
Now don't
See me?
think I'm a devil when I think the sound's gonna rebel, rebel, rebel. Now you mean it, you know?
Old phones.
Mm-mm.
That's 1,000 phones. How did you get so much phones?
It's okay, G. Throw out your juice.
You can hear what I say, let there be love.
I'm trying to get them the rest of
Clean up while they are cooking. Don't know the thing though.
They could have never do. Never, never to stop now, it's from living up there.
it. Oh, that's too weird.
Said I'm a living man.
Yeah man, thanks for the follow, you know. Your name Eyes. Thanks for the follow. Big up, you know, from Birmingham, Alabama. Big up Sharon. You know the thing go. Make sure you follow the Top Chef, you know. Look at that. You saw the chicken look nice. One piece.
Say rebel in the morning, rebel in the evening. Ain't gotta say you gotta do all but rock it on
I
my
know.
way. East, west, north, south, just to rock, you know. So make it our adventure, dear, dear, and every way you go, you move out. So Ronnie Murray down there.
Do you know how I made pink lemonade? With the rest of the fruit punch and the lemonade. Let's see how it tastes.
Got to be off the move. So baby,
Tastes
baby.
fruity.
See rebel style, run away down, I think it stops you running wild.
I'll just look in that. It didn't put my head in.
This world, they could have never do, never do. From stopping out to dread, from stepping up higher and higher. Never seen this easy. And I've got a lot of work to do now, I sleep up along the way. So come on over, I mean. I got tired of listening to friends. Can't get me out of the race.
Yeah man, big up for the follow, you know. Alice, big up for the follow. Who that? Chinut, big up for the follow. Who that? The White, big up for the follow, you know the thing go, you know. At the Top Chef, welcome to the kitchen. You know what I mean? Yeah man, we have bought up some fried chicken. Yeah man, big up for the follow, you know, user 2, 3, 4. Big up for the follow, you know, say at the Top Chef. Make sure you know share the live, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Bad cat. Yeah, bad cat. Make you try bad cat.
I want to disturb my neighbor, as I'm feeling so right. I want to turn on my disco, but the fool was tonight. In a rubber
Sky. In a rubber dove sky. In a rubber dove sky. In a rubber dove Yeah man, chicken, some fried chicken, yo, thanks to the follow, you know. Yeah man, you know the thing going on, the top chef, you know, in the kitchen, you know. Look at that, you know.
Man to man is so unjust. Children got no love to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend. And your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you. Stand behind them to look on you. Only your friends know your secret. So only he could reveal it. And who's that there? Let them wear it.
Yeah man, big up yourself, you know. Okay, say look good. Yeah man. Thanks to the follow, you know.
They don't call no foul. I say it's up. Slap. Some will hate you.
Pretend they love you now.
Then
Behind
behind
you.
to eliminate you. But who shall play?
No man cares. Thank God. I'm past the west
Hypocrites
and parasites.
will go on
And take a bite. Yo, thanks to the follow, you know, everyone. Big up everybody in the building right now. Yeah, man, the top chef there. Yeah. I show them my pudding again, you know. I'm here to bake, you know. Oh, the cat. Goddamn. Yeah, man, sweet potato pudding. Hold on. Wrong way me I put it. Sweet potato pudding, you know. The thing bad. Cut it out earlier. Make it cool down, you know. Hot like fire right now. The best time to eat it is right now. Show more. Rat race. Hot right now. Hot like fire. See that? Yeah man, sweet potato pudding, you know? Yeah man, just like our ancestors used to do it. Taste it. So good. Safety is sudden destruction. Rock Raiders. Al Green, thanks for the follow. Who that? Sun Trees, thanks for the follow. Star, thanks for the follow. Mommy Brown, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the kitchen. Yeah, man, we're about up some sweet potato pudding, you know? See? So good.
Until the philosophy which old one race superior and another
Inferior.
is finally and permanently
Everywhere.
discredited and abundant. Everywhere is war. It's a war. That until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation.
Make sure you not share the bad life, you know. It's a war. Until that day. War. It's a war. Till okay, some honey. And some green lime. War in the west. War up north. They gonna chase them crazy ballin'. Chase those crazy ballheads. Well, go on, Christy. Welcome to the kitchen, you know, the top chef, you know. Ricky, thanks for the follow, you know. Tasha, big up yourself, you know, my friend, you know, say the top chef, you know. Look at that. Big up Tasha in the building, you know, my people. Yeah, man. We are Barbie fry some chicken right now. Never give the power to a body. Heaven but you're living in it. Heaven but you're living in it. Heaven but you're living in it. Look at that, my friend. Yeah, man. Big tune. Woman. Oh, we are going to Barbie Price, so man. Let's see something now. Been shot down in the street and die. Alright, look how we do it now. Close it up. Good. Nice shake. Nobody overdo it. How we looking right now? Barbie fried chicken. Ready. Look at that. How we looking right now? So Barbie fried chicken, you know? Yeah, man. Here. Johnny was a good man. Johnny was a good man. Alright, we have a cucumber now, isn't it? We are going to wash it. We're going to peel it, we just leave some of the skin on it. So we have some Barbie fried chicken and we have some regular fried chicken with some cucumber on the side. We have the rice over here, so I want to cook down. As the man said. One little water in it. As we make it go on too. Steam up. And then dinner soon ready, you know? Yeah, man, I saw the top chef do it, man. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know? In Alicia. Yeah, man. Pudding Lane, big up yourself, you know? You can come for dinner, man, anytime, you know? Big up yourself, make sure you follow the page, you know? Yeah, man, I just the rice we are waiting on right now. Another pot the right this up. You see me? Big up on yourself, you see me? Whoa. So I put these in the fridge right now so I get chilly. You see me? You're in the Bronx right now, you know. Where you there? Pudding. You see me? If you live close by in the Bronx, you now go Brooklyn. I just go Bronx or Mount Vernon. We drop off a plate. So you put the cucumber in the fridge so you go and chill. So we have little sauce left right here. So we have barbie fry, regular fry. You see me? Florida? Florida you there? I have to go ship your plate. So check FedEx tomorrow or what the other one name? The other one. But big up yourself, you know. Wish we could have bring it come, yes. But you're too far, man. You know? You live in a Bronx or Brooklyn no more than carry come, you know, no problem. You see me? Key, thanks to the follow, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. At the Top Chef, you know. Yeah. We have some barbie fry, regular fry. You see me? Top Chef style, you know. Yeah man, we no ramp with food, you know. Yeah man, we boycott all restaurants, you know. No more Popeyes, you know. Yo, Pudding, big up yourself, you know. I'm here the Top Chef, you know. Look at that. Yeah man. Make sure you don't follow the bad chef, you know. That way I tell you now. Yeah man, we there man. We say a Saturday night and we don't cook no food, we just have vibes up and get some real food. Cause yo, I tell you, I'm so disappointed. You live in Florida too, in Alicia? I have to go check FedEx tomorrow, alright? Yeah man. At the Top Chef. It's me very disappointed of all these restaurants since lately, you know. So I stopped buying food at the restaurants. I just come home and buy up food. Anything when I feel like to eat, I just get it at the supermarket. And I come home and I cook it. You know what I mean? Guarantee you I'm going to enjoy this more than if I buy a plate of food right now. You see me? Yeah man. And with the right things. On my doorstep. Yo Libra, thanks for the follow, you know. Yeah man, welcome to the kitchen. You see me I say? Right now we are waiting for the rice. You see me I say? Everything spice already. You see me? About the next 10 minutes. You see me? Thank you very much. Yeah man. Vibes out in the evening. What you guys having for dinner? Let me see all the Top Chef in the chat right now. What you guys having for dinner? What you cooking? Bet say someone in the restaurant right now. And we say we're boycotting all restaurants. No more Red Lobster. No more Fridays. Yeah man. You see me? The Top Chef gonna keep an event this coming up this August. All in Florida you can book your ticket from now. You see me? Come spend a week in New York and I'll cook for you, you know? So come link the Top Chef. Next August we're gonna have an event, you know what I mean? And bad up the thing, you see me? Yeah man, at the Top Chef done the place, man. Look at that. You see me? Whoa, 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 whoa. On the 7th, are you earth strong? If you come to New York, we cook for you, you know? Yeah, man. But New York, we are in the Florida now, that's the far, man. Overhead. So link up with, make sure you follow the page. You see me? So when you forward, let me know say you're there in a place, me carry a plate come give you, isn't it? At the Top Chef, look at that. Easy skanking. Skanking is. It's keep me whining like my split. I gotta take a leave. Yes.
From reality, I just can't dream. Yes. That's why I'm staying with this real. Take it easy.
Skanking.
Lord, I take it easy. Take it easy.
Skanking.
Got to take
Yeah, man. Big up everybody on the live right now, you know. Easy we are skank, we are wait on the rice. You see me I say? Everything are nice, but we still have to wait for the rice. I just saw you go. You see me I say? Yo, she big up for the follow, you know. You know, say welcome to the kitchen at the Top Chef. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Bad up the food, you know, not play with food, you know. You see me I say? Don't mean to be rude, you know. But you see me I say? We just cook. You see me? While I like my split, I gotta take a leave.
from reality to just
Can't dream, drift.
that's why I'm staying with this real. Take it easy. Got to take it easy. Take it easy.
Make sure you don't follow the page, you know. Yeah, man.
Tell you what.
Jolly.
But not a sin. Is he who laugh last? Children, is he who wins?
Jolly.
Is the foolish dog? Bark at the flying bird.
Come on, steam out.
One sheep must learn, children, to respect the shepherd. Johnny, children, yeah.
Right, come on to there. Yeah, big up on yourself, you know, you come like the rice not done cook. But I gotta go, the phone battery are dead, you know, make sure you know follow the page, you know. Yeah man, you put thyme and vinegar, you know, with some butter and salt, you know. Yeah man. Big up on yourself though, and make sure you know follow the Top Chef, you see me, I say until next time, you see me. Welcome to the kitchen. Big up. We're gone.